Welcome to the news at this hour. I'm Vrinda Kumar. The news in details now. Just a month ahead of the budget, Railway announced the hike in railway fare after 10 years. Railway Minister P.K. Bansal announced across-the-board hike in fares of all classes. The hike will come into effect from 21st January and will garner an additional 6,600 crore rupees a year. As per announcement, second-class ordinary suburban fares will go up by 2 paise per kilometre and non-suburban by 3 paise per kilometre. The Railway Minister also said that there will be no fresh hike in the rail budget.
Finally, a rail fare hike. Railway Minister Pawan Kumar Bansal on Wednesday announced a hike in railway fares. This is the first major rail fare increase in last 10 years. The new fares will be effective from midnight of January 21st, 2013.
We have not been able to so far achieve this year's targets, both on the freight and the fares side. The load, as it was expected, is likely to fall short by, in fact it has fallen short by 13 million tons by the end of December. So all this, in fact, points to the imperative of modest, a reasonable, it's not modest, a reasonable fare hike immediately.
Justifying the hike, Railway Minister said that they were imperative since input costs increased while rail fares have remained stagnant. The internal resource generation of railways is significantly impacted, so much so that the annual plan of railways has been downsized.
Keeping all these things in view and the imperative to not reduce the allocations on safety measures and the cleanliness, on which I have tried to lay emphasis during this period of 2.5 months, we, after all the deliberations, careful consideration of all the issues, have decided to effect an increase in the fare hike with effect from 21st of this month.
The new fares imply a 2 paise per kilometre increase in second-class ordinary suburban tariffs. The fare for second-class non-suburban travel has gone up by 3 paise per kilometre, and that of sleeper class has been hiked by 6 paise per kilometre. Travelling in air-conditioned and sleeper class will be costlier by 10 paise per kilometre. The government expects to mop up 6,600 crore rupees from the hike. Of this 6,600 crore rupees, 1,000 crore rupees is expected from hike in AC class alone. So Railway Ministry has finally bite the silver bullet on fare prices. They were much expected, and given the deteriorating finances of Railway Ministry, they were also much needed. But the good news is there won't be any hike in the budget session. Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.
The railway decision covers services like Rajdhani, Shatabdi and Duronto type trains. However, it is exempted from platform tickets from any hike. Rail Minister Bansal also proposed to do away with the practice of levying development charge on passenger tickets, and all the chargeable fares will in future be in multiples of 5. Let's understand how price rise affects us.
Let us understand how rail fare increase affects you and me. For example, if you are travelling around 500 kilometers between Delhi and Jammu, the existing fare is 1,766 rupees. After 21st, the fare will be 1,835 rupees for AC first class. This is a 3% increase in fare. For AC 2 tier, there is 3% increase in price. For AC 3 tier, there will be an 8% increase in price, and for sleeper, there will be an increase of 13%. For the distance of around 1500 kilometers, AC first will see an increase of 4%. AC 2 tier will see an increase of fare by 4%. AC 3 will see an increase of 12%, and sleeper will see an increase of 19%. For a distance of 2000 km, AC first will see an increase of fare by 4%, AC 2 tier will see an increase of fare by 4%, AC 3 tier will see an increase of 12%, and sleeper will see an increase of 21%. For a distance of around 3,000 km, AC First will see an increase in fare by 6%, AC 2 tier will see an increase of 5%, AC 3 tier will see an increase of 17%, and Sleeper will see an increase of 30%. So finally, it will definitely affect your pocket, but citizens can now expect better amenities and a safe rail travel. With Rahul Gupta, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.
Leaders of various political parties have opposed the rail fare hike, saying that this will be a burden on the already burdened common man.
बढ़ाने के कारण एक बात स्पष्ट है कि जनता और परेशान होगी। जनता पर इसका भार पड़ेगा। जनता महंगाई से यूं ही परेशान है। महंगाई खास करके फूड इन्फ्लेशन 10 के लगभग पहुंचा हुआ है। तो इस आलोक में अगर सरकार सब्सिडी कम करने की बात करती है और किराया बढ़ाने की बात करती है तो आम आदमी और परेशान होगा।
The manner in which the central government increasing the fare of the railways, it will hit the peoples, it is anti-peoples, it is anti-poor peoples, it is anti-common peoples. Trinamool Congress opposing these sorts of price hike in the railway. From tomorrow 5 p.m. onwards, all over the country, Trinamool Congress will start their protest against these sorts of price hike in the railway.
Hike in the fares, passengers' fares, announced by the railway minister and the railway ministry is unacceptable. There is no rationality in what the railway ministry has announced today. At a time when the common people are suffering due to high prices.
Government is not realizing that they are imposing such burdens on the people at a point in time where people are reeling under the big weight of price rise of essential commodities, especially food items. Therefore, there will be a substantial increase in the passenger fare, at least at the lower rung. And in our country, large number of people, millions of people, they travel and they are working people and they are not very well to do. Naturally, their expenses will be affected.
Rail passengers have also reacted with fury over the fare hike.
भाड़ा जब बढ़ रहा है तो कुछ न कुछ तो जेब पर प्रभाव इसका पड़ेगा ही, बोझ तो जेब पर कुछ न कुछ पड़ेगा ही।
मामूली है, इससे तो कोई भी प्रभाव नहीं पड़ना चाहिए। जिस तरह से महंगाई बढ़ रही है, डीजल के दाम बढ़ रहे हैं और तरफ ट्रांसपोर्ट के किराए बढ़ रहे हैं, तो आवश्यक थी, क्योंकि पैसे नहीं आएंगे, इसके मेंटेनेंस किस तरह होगी और अच्छे रूप से और सुरक्षित किस तरह चलाई जाएगी। सुरक्षा के देश से, संरक्षण के देश से, हर देश से आवश्यक।
तो ट्रेन डिले रहता है, दूसरे दिन ट्रेन का डिले रहता है, प्लस इतना रश रहता है आने जाने में, ट्रेन की ये बढ़ाते नहीं उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी।
ये तो इतनी महंगाई पहले से ही है कि बढ़ाने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है।
If government increase the rate of tickets, it will affect us too much.